All right, guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with Home and Entrepreneur. So today we're going to talk about how to read the Amazon Seller app. Okay, so this specifically is for people that are doing retail arbitrage and maybe even thrifting. Okay, so I just took some screenshots of when I was out thrifting or out sourcing, and I just want to show you kind of what's going on in my mind, how I kind of think through the entire process and determine if I buy a product or not. How many do I buy? And potentially what am I gonna sell it for? So let's jump into the computer and I'm gonna show you right now kind of what my thought process was behind this. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Also, hit that thumbs up button if you like the more basic videos instead of all the advanced stuff, okay? Hit that thumbs up button. Okay, so here we are on the computer. Like I said, I just took some screenshots. So this was an item I was looking at earlier. Now this item was I think 797, 799, something like that. When I was looking at buying it, I ended up picking up some, actually all that they had. But anyway, so let's look at this really quick. So first off, you can see here it's a Disney Pixar Toy Story Talking Woody. You can see the rank, okay, 6,000 in toys, which is a very good rank. Anything under 50,000, I'm pretty much going to buy it as long as there's some profit there. If you get up to 100, 150,000, even 200,000, it all depends on a few factors. The first one is what is my potential profit? The second one is there a bunch of other sellers on the listing? So I have I think four different screenshots here that we're gonna go through. So this one right here, the first thing I do, so I have my phone, I scan the item, all right. So it says 6,000 in toys. That tells me, okay, it's gonna sell, it's a fast seller. All right, that's cool. So what is my gross proceeds gonna be? Okay, the reason why, and again, if it's, let's say it's an $8 product, you just simply subtract $8 from here. I don't go in and put all the information in. Okay, so you just subtract $8. So it's $8 product, I'd make about $7.63 profit from one sale. Okay, great. That's a good product. I'm gonna keep moving on. How many sellers are there? Okay, there are 36 right here, and they're selling from $23.77. But Amazon's not on the listing. Two good things. There are, one, Amazon's not on the listing, and the other thing is the price, obviously 23.77. Okay, you can see up here as well. Okay, and then the last thing, which normally if you can't sell a product, it will say restricted right here. In big red letters, it'll say restricted. But you can see down here, I can sell this product in new condition. Cool. I'm gonna move forward. Okay. So if you guys have any questions on this, the main screen, let me know. Put any questions you have in the comment section below, and let me know whether it's screenshot 1, 2, 3, or 4 that you have the question on. Let's go to the second one. So the second thing I would do, now I don't always do this. Usually I never do this, but when you're beginning and you want to know, okay, why am I paying so much for fees? Yeah, because if you look over here, you're paying $8 for fees with FBA. Okay, and these fees will go up. I'm shooting this on February 21st, and as of February 22nd, the fees on Amazon actually go up. So as of right now, if you sell for $23.77, your referral fee is $3.57. This one always changes, okay? Then you got your pick and pack, $4.57, okay? And that equals $8.14. And then you got, so for me, I estimate 50 cents per pound, which normally I'm paying right about 30 to 35 cents per pound to ship it from my location to Amazon's warehouse. But here you can see I'm estimating at 55 just to make sure I don't lose any money. So my total net proceeds is 1508, but then you factor in the amount I paid for the product. Oops, wrong one. Factor in the amount that I paid for the product. So let's say $8. Okay, just roughly $8. I'd make $7 and roughly 5 cents or 8 cents. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Next thing I would do, like I said, I don't always do that part. I don't always go and put in the numbers and crunch the numbers like this because I've been doing it long enough. But once I know that's a decent selling product because of the rank, and I know that I can make money and I can sell the product, so three things, very important things. The next thing I'm gonna do is click on the actual sellers. So you will go and click on this down here, okay? Just go and click on that, and it will bring up a page that looks like this. Again, this is all through Amazon Seller app. This is not through any other, through FBA Scan or Profit Bandit or Scoutify or anything like that, okay? All through the Amazon Seller app, which is a free app as long as you have the professional account with Amazon, okay? So what am I looking at here? What I'm looking at here is, okay, what sellers are selling for and what is the price? So there's one seller right here selling at $23.77. Here's the issue that I have is most people sell their items at $23.77, right? Because that's what the lowest FBA offer is right now. Here's the thing. I get an item, let's say I buy it and I bring it back to my office or here at my house, wherever, and I decide I'm gonna, ship it. It's probably gonna take, let's say 3 days to potentially a week to get to Amazon, or for me to list it, do all the packing and prepping, okay, list it, ship it off to Amazon. They get it and it goes into inventory. It's live. It could be between 3 to 7 days. So if that's the case, do I think this person is still gonna be here? Unless they have 100 units, maybe they only have one or two, and so that's what I'm going off of, that assumption. You can go and check if you want to. I usually don't unless I'm going to buy a bunch. When I say bunch, anything over 50, then I'm going to go check to see how many units does this person have. Okay, so let's say I'm going under the assumption they have 5 or 10 units. Well, if they sell out between 5 or 10, if we go back over here at 6,000 in toys, so I know that they're going to sell out of their 5 or 10 before my units even get there. Okay, so if this person is the lowest and then this person's second, why would I price it at $23.77? Because once my inventory goes live in like a week, chances are this person is going to be the lowest offer at $24.95. So do I want to skip out on that extra $1.20 or $1.18, whatever it is, profit? No. Especially if I have 100 units, do I want to, just give away, $118 worth of profit? No, I don't. So I'd price it at $24.95, okay, or $25, or there's a bunch here at 25. So that's kind of what's going on in my mind is, okay, there's a gap. Now, if this was only 5-10 cents, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. But being that's over $1, I look, this is a big deal. I don't want to be down here at 23.77. I want to be up here at 24.95. Okay, so if you're kind of confused on why I'm thinking that way, I'm not crazy. Okay, this is I've been doing this for years. But if you're confused on that, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, because I know most people get confused. Most people list it for 23.77 because that is the lowest FBA offer. But honestly, when your inventory gets there from today to maybe 5 or 7 days from now, when your items actually become available and live on the site, is the lowest FBA offer still $23.77. Okay, and again, if you're not using automated repricer, you could be losing a lot of money here as well. Okay, and I'm not talking about that in this video, but use it. The last thing that I look at right here, let me kind of zoom in on this. Hopefully that you can see a little bit better. So right there. Okay. So this one right here, this is the keepa.com graph. Okay. So go to Keepa, which is KEEPA.com. You can see here, it shows the price at $23.77 because that's currently what it's at. Okay. You can see how many reviews, a 3.9 star review. Great. So here's what most people don't do. They don't look at Keepa. And the reason why I don't always look at Keepa, I honestly don't, but it's because I've been doing it long enough. Not that I know what's happened with the past history of the price, but I have enough inventory going through that if I lose out on a few little items here and there, it's not gonna be that big of a deal for me. But for most people, let's say you spend $250 or $1,000 or whatever, and all that inventory sits for a month, that probably hurts your business a lot, right? Well, this is what I want you to do. Go to keepa.com, and you can do it from the Scoutify app. Okay, you can't do it from the Amazon Seller app, but you can do it from Scoutify. You can do it from FBA Scan. You can do it from Profit Bandit as well. They all will allow you to go look at keepa.com and the graph. So that's what this is. This is a month history It's the reason why I'm using a month is because normally I use a 3-month timeline, 3-month past history. The reason I'm using a month is because, like I said, I'm shooting this February 21st, and if I'd use 3 months, that's going to include Christmas and Q4, and of course sales are going to look great then. Okay, so I'm just going back from like January 21st, and again, this graph is just screenshot, so obviously these numbers aren't going to change. But you can see here, this green line right here, this is the sales rank. Okay, you can see that it's been going down. Why is that? Who knows? You can also see that the price has been going down a little bit as well. And that could be because there are more sellers jumping in. Okay. So if you want to know more about that, you can use Keepa. You can go to camel.com and you can see there as well about how many people were selling. So right now, this date on Monday, February 19th, so 2 days ago, it was selling at $20.58. That was the lowest FBA price, and the rank was 4,340. The reason why I look at Keepa and why I believe everybody should, if they're going to buy a decent amount, is because you want to see the charts looking something like this, where they're going down, okay, and they're steady. Okay, these aren't like a huge decline from like $40 down to 15. Okay, it spiked up here at 35, 36, and it's down here at like 20 something. Okay, so it's slowly coming down, but and I'm not saying that's a good thing. You normally want to see it going up, but the ranking's coming down. Okay, so it's showing consistent sales. You can see the past history of the price. So for the past like week, it's been right about $20. Okay, which is a good sign. What you don't want to see is it be down here at $25 and it spike up here to 35 and come down to 20 and again to 35 and down and up and down and up. Because if you're thinking you're going to sell for $35, but there's all these declines down here in 20, 25 range, what's going to happen is you buy it when it's selling at the high, but really the sales are happening when the prices are low. Okay, don't think that they're happening at $35. It's just somebody's coming in with a couple in stock at $20, $25, and that's where they're selling. Okay, so just be aware of that. So this is one of the reasons why I love using Keepa, is because it gives you that history. It tracks the past history of the ranking and the sales price, which is all important. Okay, and this is what most people don't look at. They go into a store, they're scanning stuff at Walmart. Yeah, oh, it's profitable, it's profitable, it's profitable. Okay, I'm making money. And really, even though I used to say this as well, that, oh, I just made, $300 profit just by scanning for 30 minutes an hour, it's unrealized profit. The profit comes when it actually sells. Okay, yeah, you make the money when you buy, but if you buy it at the wrong time, it could be a potential loss for you. Okay, so always go to keepa.com if you're worried, if you're thinking that might not be a profitable product. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but you never know. But if all you do is come and look at this page, you go to Walmart and you scan the product, you're like, oh, that's a winner. I'm gonna buy 1,000 of those. Well, that's great if it's selling at $23.77. What if it dropped all of a sudden to $15? Then what do? Well, you're pretty much breaking even then. Okay, you're not gonna make a whole lot of money. Okay, so I just want you to be aware of that if that's the case, okay, prices are going up and down, and you only know that if you look at the Keepa graph. Okay, so go and look at this. But again, there's so much stuff that you need to be aware of. Again, I'm going off the assumption it's selling at $23.77. So I'm gonna make about $7 off this thing. But if I bump it up an extra $1.18, or $1.18, I'm gonna make an extra, $1.18 per item. So I'll be making closer to $8.75, right? So again, start here. Okay, if you need to, click on this and it'll bring you to a screen that looks like this. You can put in the cost of your purchase, what it costs. You have to pay for taxes or whatever you have to do. Put that in there. It'll tell you the exact number if you need to. If you don't want to do the math in your head. Next thing, come here, look to see. Okay, there's this seller at $23.77, but everybody else is at 45, 55 or something. Okay, so if their price is just a big difference, you gotta wonder, why is this person selling at this price? Could be because they're new. Who knows? You can obviously go and check that, if you want to. It could be because they just are trying to make their profit margins. That's it. They don't care about anything extra. People do that as well, and they can do whatever they want. It's their business. But again, you gotta understand there's some room right here where you can go from 23.77 to 24.95 and make it a little bit more money. So again, if you guys have questions on this, let me know. But I know you probably will have questions because most people do. But like I said, and I talked about this in a video earlier this week or maybe last week, that I want to do some more back to the basic style videos because I know a lot of people are trying to get into Amazon FBA, but the problem is they don't know how to read how to read the Amazon Seller app. They don't know how to read a Keepa chart. They don't know, is it going to be something that they're going to be able to make money on or not? And really, nobody can tell you that because there's products I lose money on all the time. Yeah, I honestly do. But there's times where I make a lot of money on those, so I continue to buy them. Okay. But again, go out there, start scanning stuff, get into private label, try to find some wholesale suppliers, whatever it takes to really build your Amazon FBA business because there's a lot of money in this business, but you have to put in the time and effort into it. So, like I said, if you guys learned anything, hit that thumbs up button and also hit that thumbs up button if you want more back to the basic style videos. Make sure you click that subscribe button, subscribe today so you don't miss any other videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.